one mission red crab that was initiated by us in Ramnagar, Tajpur area. Most probably you have heard about Tajpur. Tajpur is a very hot destination now, but during those days it was kind of virgin place. So the tourist volume was slowly, gradually increasing. People were plying vehicles on the beach which were actually crushing the little baby red crabs that were born there and that were moving around. So we spoke to the local community. We did a lot of interaction with them even during evening time because they were mostly fishermen. They came back in the evening. So we had to go in the evening and we lived in their huts also. We interacted with them that how can we proceed? Because it's not that I'm feeling something, I'm doing this. I have to really understand whether this is going to do something good for the country, good for the place that I'm serving. So I'm doing something out of my fancy thinking, but this is not serving any purpose. That shouldn't be the goal. Then they told me, yes, sir, there is a problem, but simultaneously the tourism also needs to be unaffected. It should be left undisturbed. So we slowly formed a local organization there with the Gram Panchayat. They regulated the traffic there. Red crabs were saved. Tourists were not harmed. Tourists were not obstructed in any way. Tourists were there and they used to visit the beach. And they appreciated the beach for its beauty, for its cleanliness, and also the red crabs.